G'day, it's Colin from Wurth. And I want to talk to you about the Wurth brake cleaner. Now I know I've spoken to you about Wurth brake cleaner before, but this month we have the brake cleaner starter pack. It contains two 20-litre brake cleaners, a tap to dispense it with, and of course the fantastic Wurth pump bottle. Now brake cleaners are a must in all workshops and they're now used as general purpose cleaners. You need them to be plastic, rubber, paint and chrome safe. And of course, you need it to flash off fast with no residue. So we're going to go have a look now at how the Wurth brake cleaner is delicate on plastic parts. So for the ease of this demonstration, I'm going to use the Wurth brake cleaner in the pressure pack can. So as I said, brake cleaner needs to be delicate on plastic and painted surfaces. So I've got a couple of foam cups here to replicate a plastic surface. So I've got the Wurth brake cleaner here and I'll spray some in. Now you can see that I've sprayed that in there and it's happily sitting in the cup, and I'll tip a little bit out just so you can see that there's some in there, and I'll just put it down here. Now I've got a popular opposition brand one here and I'll spray that in. And you can see that it's just eaten through the foam cup. So you've now seen how gentle the Wurth brake cleaner is on plastic parts. Now I've been out to the warehouse, I wanted to pair it up with something, and I came up with the Wurth mild cleaning wipes. Now there's 150 wipes in this bucket. Now I really like these wipes because I can take them anywhere, in the car, I can have them at home, in the workshop. You can clean your hands with them, or you can clean your tools, your bench top, whatever you want. They're nice, they're thick, they're strong. Now, if you want to order the brake cleaner pack with your free wipes, simply go to the Wurth app or eShop. Put the brake cleaner pack into your cart, get to the checkout and type in "G'day Wipes" to receive your free bucket of wipes. Now, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Don't forget to like our page, and the Wurth brake cleaner is definitely ready for work.